Hello everyone, Max here. Welcome back in another video. This time we're unboxing another package from PandaBuy. Let's take a look at it. So this time we've got a pretty huge package, as you can see. It takes up our whole desk, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Let's unbox it. Here we have our packages. So let's take a look at them. We purchased like 3 pairs of shoes. So one box, the second one, and also the third one. First of all, maybe let's begin with this one. So I have no idea what kind of shoes these are. Now I know. These are some regular Air Forces. So as you probably seen on my channel, I'm the fan of Air Forces. I bought a ton of them in the past. And here's the second pair. So this is how they look like. Yeah, they look good. I don't see much of the defects as for the shoes. They look nice, they look really good. I have no complaints with that. Obviously this you can remove. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. This is how the shoe sole looks like. As you can see, it looks so nice. We see the regular pattern when it comes to stars. It looks good. Same thing on the other pair. It looks good. Let's take this thing away. The Nike logo going across the whole shoe, the top of the shoe. So this is how it looks like as for the Air Force ones. Let's take a look at the next pair. These are also some Nikes. And these are the Jordans. So as you can see, these are the Jordan 4s. This is how they look like. And yeah, I've got to tell you that they look pretty good. Really well. Let's take a look at them. Not bad. Like it a lot. In this box there's nothing left. Just the paper. These are the Jordans, black canvas and a really beautiful black color. The back of the Jordans, this is how the Jordan logo looks like. Take a glance on it. The inner part of the shoes, they look good as well. Take a look at the stitching. Look okay. The suede, the mesh looks great as well. The top of the mesh, the air bubble. Take a look at the air bubble. It's a bit steamy because it's cold, but yeah, looks good. Here, as you can see, you can also take a look at the Air Jordan logo here. And we do have our signature inside saying color of the shoes, the size and everything. So yeah, these are the Jordan 4s. Not bad. Same thing on the other pair. They look nice, stylish, and yeah, I like it a lot. And lastly, let's take a look at the last pair. So this is nothing but the Dunkies. I've never had any Dunkies. I've never bought any Dunkies on PandaBuy. So we had to do this. Here they are. Let's take a look on them. This is how they look like. They don't look bad in my opinion. Kind of a small profile compared to the Air Force ones and Jordans, so they're not as high as the previous shoes, but still they look pretty good. Take a look on them. They look nice. I don't see any irregularity in the pattern. It all looks just cool. I like the color. I like the patterns and everything. Inside is how the shoe looks like. Take a look on them. I like it. And the other pair, this is how they look like. The shoe sole, side. Yeah, they're much lighter compared to the Air Force Ones and Jordans. But still, so nice, so good. So yeah, this is how it presents. As you can see, you can get some pretty high quality shoes of PandaBuy. I have the link down in the description. If you want to see more information about PandaBuy and some other alternatives, check out my channel. I've got a ton of information there. So yeah, highly recommend it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And see you in the next video. Bye!